Here are other logical fallacies that we might encounter. Post hoc. It's like saying A happened, then B happened, so A must have caused B. It's when someone thinks that just because one thing happened before another, the first thing must have caused the second thing. It's like thinking wearing your lucky socks made your team win because you wore them before the game. Slippery slope. It's like saying if you do one small thing, it will lead to a chain reaction of bad stuff happening. It's like if you eat one cookie, you'll end up eating the whole jar. Then you'll get a tummy ache. Then you'll never want to eat cookies again. It's making a big deal out of something little. Appeal to authority. It's when someone says something must be true just because an important or famous person said it. It's like saying you should drink this particular brand of milk just because a TV personality said so. Just because he said that it's the best milk in the whole world, it doesn't mean it's the best milk for you.